I'm Cymye, and today I will show Lydsto W2. It's an all-in-one self-clean and empty robot. It has self-clean, self-dry, self-empty, built-in sterilization, and much more. And this product is in campaign right now. If you are interested, please don't forget to check the link in the description. And before we start the test, let me show what comes inside the box. The box is relatively big because it's well protected, so you don't need to worry about transportation. It comes with a manual, a small brush, the power cord, an extra pair of brushes, a dustbin bag, a pair of rags, an all-in-one station. You don't need to do anything. You can just take out from the box, plug it, and it's ready. If you open the small cover, you can find a small brush, and here there is a tool to help you remove any hair that gets stuck on your brushes. This all-in-one station have a lot of functions. On the right side, you can find some buttons to control Lydsto W2. For the function button, you can use it to clean a selected area, and after it finishes, it will return to the station, or you can use it to pause. I have a display that shows exactly what your Lydsto W2 is doing in the real time. When you open the lid, you can find 3 compartments. The first one has 4 liters capacity for the clean water, and then the second one is a 3 liters compartment for the dustbin, and the last one is a 4 liters compartment for the dirt water. In this way, the dirt water will not contaminate the clean water or the rag. And with a full clean water tank, it can clean up 2,150 feet squares without adding water. And to fill with clean water, you can just open this part or this one if it's more convenient for you. They also installed a system with ozone to help eliminate the odor. It also generates Ag plus silver positive ion that can effectively kill 99.9% bacteria for sterilization, so you have disinfected clean water in your water tank and floor. Moreover, every time Lydsto W2 returns to the base, all the dust will be collected and the rag will be spinned, scratched on the washboard. It will also be washed with hot water and dry with hot air to prevent bacteria and odor. So it will be ready to use next time, or it will return to continue the clean where it stopped. Lydsto W2 is built with high-quality material to be durable. On the top, there is the Power, Home and Function button. The LGS Laser Guidance Navigation makes W2 recognize your home and plan for the optimized clean routine. And you can also find other sensors. Combined, they will avoid it to hit anything. And it can also recognize the height. It can climb anything up to 15 millimeters. If higher or deeper than that, it will return to avoid heat or fall. If you open the lid, you can find the dustbin compartment. It has a filter and a small door for the self-empty function. On the back of the robot, there is a gap for the self-empty, sensors and connectors for charge. Under it, there are 2 brushes for better cleaning, the main brush and then the place to install the rags. And during the cleaning process, Lydsto W2 can recognize the carpets, and it will automatically switch to supercharge mode to increase the suction power for deep and cleaning. And for the cleaning mode, we have 3 options: the vacuum mode, the mopping mode, and vacuum mopping mode. And if you're wondering about the sound, it's relatively quiet. About the sound, there is 2 things with loud noise. First is when the station makes the self-empty. And the second thing is when the station sucks all the dirt water. And it's very powerful. It has 5,000 PA power suction, 108 spinning per minute, and also pressurized mopping cleaning. It will make the cleaning effortless. So let's make some tests. Inside the app, you can make some customization. For example, you can edit the map, you can create a restriction area to setting, partial editing, custom mode, and my map. Here you can also select the mode setting. For example, you can turn the quiet mode, standard mode, medium mode, and also the strong mode. You can do the secondary cleaning or only mopping, and you can also choose the custom mode. And if you want to enter in the only vacuum mode, you just need to remove the rag. You can also choose a fixed point to clean, and here you have two options, or you can also create a division area inside your room. You can select the place, you can drag here, make it smaller or big, so it can clean exactly the place you want. If you click in the three dots, you can also make a lot of customization, but I will not explain all of this. I will just explain what I think is the most important. For example, here you can choose some language, and you also can adjust the voice volume. You can also set a D&D time. They also allow you to set up the station, for example, mopping frequency 6, 9 or 12 minutes. Here you can also choose the temperature of the water, so room temperature or hard temperature. You can choose to never collect the dust, automatically collect the dust, automatically collect the dust after cleaning twice, and automatically collect the dust after cleaning for 3 times. They also indicate when you need to change the consumable parts in your robot. In any case you lose your robot, you can just press and it will start to make a sound for you to find it. And they also have the remote control mode that I really think it's useful when you want to clean a very specific spot. For example, we can start to move. To make the maintenance is very easy, you can remove the washing board just pressing the buttons on the side. And don't forget about the dirty water. Here in this compartment we'll only have water, and all the solid stuff will be in the dust bag. And this one is also easy to wash. You just open this top, remove the water, and you can also use the brush they included. You can use the brush they included in the kit, and don't forget, after you finish to clean the washing board, dry it with some towel before you install again. You can also remove the small brushes to wash, the cover and the second brush. And as you can see, my brush is full of fur and hair, so you can use this small tool they included in the kit and then easily to cut and remove them. You can also remove the robot dust bin compartment to wash. Alright, my conclusions after use Lydsto W2. It's very convenient for you to use, especially for the self-clean and self-empty function. And it's good for you to use the mopping function for daily dust. It can clean the floor very properly, much better than you just use the vacuum. But if you left something fall on the floor, for example, some flour or some cookies, something that if mixed with water it will become like a dough, it's better for you to use the vacuum first and then the vacuum mop after that. I directly try to clean with vacuum and mopping the flour. I put a lot of flour on the floor and some of them become a dough and stick on the floor, and then will become a little messy under your robot, and after that it will be a little hard to remove that one from the floor. But I try to use a waterboard pen to write on the floor to see if the pressuring mop would remove it. And yes, it could remove everything perfectly. For the corner, it also made a very good job. I only use it one time, but it's better for you to use the secondary cleaning to remove everything. And just one advice. Depending on what kind of dirt you are cleaning, it's better you adjust the power for the suction, because if the dirt is very light, sometimes the robot can blow it away. I will keep using Lydsto W2 to have a better opinion, but don't forget, if you have any doubt, please write in the comments section or check the link in the description. And just remind you guys, this product I test in my home is a prototype. This product is in campaign, they are still developing, and if you want to buy it, don't forget to check there, because who buy first will get a better discount. And don't forget, if you like my content, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, bye bye!